Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil. In this part of Node.js, we will talk about OS module. So our first question will be, what is OS module? Then we will learn some important functions related to OS module, and at the last we will cover some important questions related to this video. So now let's start with the first question. What is OS module? So OS stands for operating system, and this is basically an internal module of Node.js. You don't need to install it like npm install OS and all, because this is the by default or internal module of Node.js. So what it will provide? It will actually provide the information related to your current operating system, on which operating system you are actually running your program. So let's say you want to check that your users basically, or your website visitor, what kind of operating system they are actually using. So that time you can use this module and you can just get the information. So all right, and now let's check out some important functions. So how we can use it? First of all, let's take any constant like OS and load OS module like this. After that we can run some functions, which is, let's say I just want to check the architecture of the operating system. So just simply put here console.warn or console.log os.architecture. This is basically a function. So I am just running the Node.js over terminal, and here you can see that my operating system is basically 64-bit. After that I am not going to just remove this, because maybe you just need this code and this is available on my GitHub account. So I am just commenting out code. And let's say after that you want to check that how much memory is free in my system. So let's say I'm just putting here os.free mem. So this function will basically provide the free RAM memory. Here you can see that 37230. This is a big number actually, but how you can say that here you can see that how can be this is actually memory. So see, we basically just count our RAM or ROM in GBs. This is basically actually inside the bytes. So to convert in the you can say that GB gigabytes, we have to divide it, and let me just divide it by the you can say that 10244, and now this is basically providing the kilobyte. And if I am again just dividing it by that, then it will provide the result in megabyte. And if I'm just again dividing it with the 1024, then it will provide the information in the gigabyte. So 3.4 and something is memory actually free in my system in a basically RAM. So yes, I have 8 GB RAM, so that much is actually free for a moment. So let's say I just want to check total memory. So I can just put here total memory, and here you can see that 7.9. As I told you, I have 8 GB RAM in my system, that's why it's just actually providing that one, right? So after that we can, let's say, want to check the host name, then just use here console.log os.hostname, and this is again a function, and this is basically my desktop host name. Maybe in your system you basically just modified this name, and if it is by default, then you will just find the number like this. And after that, let me just give some more information. Let's say you want to check the platform. So let's say you want to check that you have system of Android or iOS and something else. So I have Windows 32 system, and this is here. After that this is basically a last one. So if you want to check the user information, you can check here. I did not set here UID and GID. Username is HP. Most of guys basically change this username like your self name like Anil or some other name, but I did not change it, so that's why this is HP by default. So thank you so much for watching this video. And interview question, they can ask that how you can check the operating system. So you can say that we can just simply use here os.platform, and they can ask that how you can just make the different code, or you want to just write the different code for different operating system. That time you can check the platform and you can apply the conditions according to the platform. Thank you so much for watching this video.